So you want to unlock your singing voice, huh? I'm excited for you. This is a really fun and vulnerable journey you're about to embark on. Hi singers! If we've never met before, I'm Ledesma. I'm a voice teacher, vocal coach, music director, and choir director in Los Angeles, California. I've trained singers who have never taken a voice lesson before to singers in major commercial bands and on Broadway. I like to chat about music pedagogy and the different schools of vocal technique. The best place to start when beginning to sing is singing where you speak. Your ear is fairly tuned to these pitches and you're already comfortable with this particular range. So for our first exercise, let's hum. Take a moment and read what's on the screen out loud. Now, hum where the last word landed in your range. Don't overthink it. It doesn't have to be exactly the same note, just the same range. All right, feel where that note landed. Does it feel like it's vibrating here around the chest or maybe the bottom of your jaw? There's no right or wrong answer, just feel the sensation. Okay, now read this new sentence and hum where that last note was. Again, no stressing that the notes are exactly the same. We're just looking for a general range. Where did this note land? The same place, the same area, or a new area? Maybe around the teeth or nose? If your notes landed in two different areas, let's play with humming between these two notes. Just slide around. If your notes felt like they were in the same place, see if you can move your hum up or down. Just take a moment and play with that. Good work. Now for exercise number 2, let's phonate. Using those same notes or note, open up to an ah. Ma, ma, like that. Now slide from note to note on the ah. Ma, ma, ah. Adjust as necessary. This should feel very easy and relaxing. All right, for exercise number 3, let's connect to our breath. The type of breathing we need for singing can be counterintuitive at first, so pause the video and practice it if you need to. When you inhale, your belly should expand, and when you exhale, your belly should contract. Practice it until it feels fairly natural. Does it feel natural yet? If so, then breathe in and go tss, 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 tss. All right, let's repeat that. Breathe in. Tss, 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 tss. One more time. Deep breath in. Tss, 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 tss. All right, let's take a deep breath in and sustain the tss sound. All right, ready? Breathe in. Do it for as long as you can. All right, let's repeat that. Deep breath in, sustain that for as long as you can. Ready? Go. Nice work. For our 4th exercise, we're going to put all these aspects together. Start with a deep breath in. Don't let it collapse. Now initiate a ha from the belly. From your lower space. Ha, ha, ha. Nice. And now let's adjust and say who where your second note was. Who, who, who. All right, repeat that about 3 more times at your own pace. Okay, now take a moment and slide between those notes while keeping your breath engaged. So, All right, in your own time. For the fifth and final exercise, you gotta sing a song. So let's get you there. Start by humming a melody. Any melody or song will do as long as it feels comfortable. Hum it a few times until you feel comfortable. Now, sing the melody on an ah. Do that a few times until it feels comfortable. Now, make sure you're connected to your breath and you're relaxed. Put all these pieces together and sing your song. Beautiful, you did it. You're singing. If you're connected to your breath, relaxed, and it feels open and comfortable, that's your natural singing voice. The rest of your journey will be all about how you expand your range and add tools to your singing toolbox. But for now, that's your beautiful and unique voice. Congratulations. If you'd like to continue working on your technique, maybe click on this video here or here. It's a warm-up suitable for everyone. That's including you. It'll help you expand your range and learn your voice with ease. That's all I have for you today. Until next time, keep learning, keep singing, and keep sharing your voice. We want to hear it. Let's make this world a little kinder with music, yeah? See you in the next one.